Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the fingerprint sensor not working. How to fix this? At first you need to open the settings in your phone. Here, scroll down till you see biometrics and security. Open fingerprints and draw your current pattern or enter the passcode or anything else that you have set. Right here we've got fingerprint 1. As you can see here I've got it. We need to tap remove here once we tap it and remove. Let's tap add fingerprint and we need to add our fingerprint again. Of course it's registering it, so it's like this. It's easy. Just touch it from time to time. Let's press our finger on the sensor and then we'll need to lift it off. 69%, 74%, now 80, 84, 88. Remember to move your finger from time to time. 100. Let's tap done. Let's see if it works. It does. If your fingerprint sensor doesn't want to work, you need to prepare yourself a clean, soft cloth. Here I've got microfiber cloth and it's best for it, but it doesn't have to be a microfiber. It needs to be soft and dry. So as you can see here, we need to clean the area where our fingerprint sensor is. And this should fix our issue. You can use isopropyl alcohol to make sure it's really clean and not oily. If it doesn't want to work still, you need to remove the screen protector because this may cause interferences with the fingerprint sensor. That's it. Hope it helps you. Bye!